Hello, my name is Cecia Flores. Today I am going to talk about space telecoms. Here we have two questions. Number one, what is space telecoms? It is an astronomical instrument that is placed in space to observe the universe with greater clarity and precision. Number two, how do you get photos of space? The images are not taken with professional cameras, but with space telescopes, allowing observation of the universe from outside. Okay, examples of the most famous telescopes. The chart shows three very important space telescopes, including the year they were launched and their main contributions to science. Number 1. Hubble, 1990. It is one of the most iconic telescopes in history. His captured impressive image of the universe. Number 2. Chandra, in special in studying X-rays in space. This makes it ideal for investigating strange phenomena such as black holes. Number 3. Kepler. His main mission was the search for planets outside our solar system. He discovered thousands of times in somehow conditions similar to Earth. And finally, number 4. James Webb. It is the most recent and advanced space telescope. It detects infrared light, allowing you to see the birth of distant stars and galaxies. This chart shows how each telescope was designed with a special purpose, from capturing clear images of the universe to studying black holes, searching for habitable planets, and observing the first galaxies. Okay, we can see some images of the telescopes and their names. Hubble is radiation is optical. Chandra is radiation is X-ray. Kepler is radiation is visible light. And finally, James Webb is radiation in infrared. Scientific achievements of the telescope. Hubble discovered that the universe is spinning ever faster. Kepler found planets in the habitable zone of their star. James Webb allowed us to see the oldest galaxies in the universe, from the shortly after the Big Bang. Chandra confirmed the existence of supermassive black holes. Finally, Hubble, James Webb, Chandra, and Kepler are not just scientific instruments, but true symbols of human ingenuity. Every discovery made these space observatories bring you later close to understand your place. Telescopes have become one of the most important tools in the story of astronomy and science in general. Space telescopes are windows to infinite tools that not only show us the grandeur and complexity of the universe, but also invite you to reflect on the smiling your planet in the midst and amazing and mysterious cosmos. By observing light that has traveled for thousands or millions of years to reach us. They remind you that in the universe everything changes, everything evolves, and that you yourself are part of time, cosmos, and constant transformation. This perspective invites to reflect on the need to care for your planet, value life, and continue exploring with humility and wonder. Thank you for your time. Bye.